What's up everyone, Corey Parts again. I'm gonna shoot a quick video on what does a sump pump cost to install. Now, sometimes we have to look at it, is that sump pump getting installed in a basement or a crawl space? But in this video, we're just gonna talk about a generalization. They don't vary too far one way or another. One of the main factors in how much it costs is how far away from the house are we going to have to pump that water. That is the main cost that we run into. And obviously if we have to go 100 feet, it's gonna be more costly than if we have to go 10 feet. With that being said, a sump pump to be installed in today's market is going to be about $1,750. Now this includes the discharge line and the electrician. Again, we've talked about it in previous videos. We always recommend a battery backup, especially if you're in a basement. That battery backup is going to run $1,200. There you have it, $1,750 to install a sump pump. Hope this helps. Let us know if y'all have any questions or want us to shoot any other videos on anything. Y'all have a great day.